So I was in Dollar Tree a few days ago and I picked up this spring banner. And when I took it home, I was like, I don't really like, oh, this look plain. So here we are going to dress this up a bit. Back if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine. I'm so happy you decided to join me today. Let's jump right in. So I'm selecting the paints that I'm going to be using. I'm going to color those flowers in, give them a nice warm spring look. And here I'm using my paint brushes, and I selected the sizes that would just give me the right spread, not too much so that the paint go over the print. And I'm using yellow. I think this is Folk Art Daffodil yellow, and I'm just going to paint these in as much as I can, and then I'm going to use some pink as well, just to add additional colors to dress that up. Now guys, let me know if this is something that you would do. You buy the plain looking banner or anything for that matter in Dollar Tree and you want to add your own touch to it. It's already done. There's not much you can do to this but just to paint the flowers. So here I'm adding the red. Then to brighten the little brown sections on the petals, I am using the furniture marker, that's mahogany, and I'm just adding a little strokes on the petals to brighten the ones that were already there and add some extra ones just to make the flowers pop. Now, if you want, you can go all the way around the edge of the petals. I didn't bother with that. I just left them as is because there was no point in doing that either. I just wanted the flowers to have a brighter look and to change them up a little bit. And this spring banner is so easy. You can do this with just about any banner if it's plain like this one, or if you buy a banner and it's already painted and excited, you can just add that to your stand outside and you're okay to go. So if you're liking this quick and easy DIY, my friends, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate you doing so. My analytics says that 86% of my viewers enjoy my content, but they are not subscribed. What are you waiting for, my friend? Our wisdom nugget for today is from Proverbs 16, verse 3-4. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. The Lord works out everything to its proper end, even the wicked for a day of disaster. Wow, 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 that's something. Now here it is. I took it outside and I used some Mod Podge spray to seal it. I added it to the stake, and this is what it looks like blowing in the wind right out by my front door.